Hi friends, welcome to my channel Srishan NST Volumes. Here with you, Sri. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసిన యూ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ అనే బుక్ని ఆడియో రూపంలో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. అండ్ ఆల్సో దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ డిడెంట్ వాచ్ దట్ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో దెన్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ బై ద లింక్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్. సో లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు దట్ బుక్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ రిటన్ బై బిరిస్టర్ శర్మ. Contents in this book. First content, life is full of mysteries. Second, your vision. Third, only you can change yourself. Fourth, golden ray. Fifth, bad memories. Sixth, the right way. Seventh, meanings of life. Eighth, your task. Ninth, experiences of life. 10, obstacles. 11, failures. One word in the book. In every juncture of life, there are many ups and downs, and every moment you need motivation and encouragement. It may be from yourself or from your dear ones. However, the question arises how, if nobody is around you, then it's only you to motivate and encourage yourself. Because life is a lone journey. First think and then act. Always remember that you are the only one who can change yourself and nobody can change you. If you want to light the darkness of your life, then ignite your mind. First content in this book, life is full of mysteries. Life is full of mysteries. Sometimes it shows you green trees, invites you with its delicious fruits, and sometimes it gets off with its bitter fluids. Life gives you full of surprises. Sometimes it gives you beautiful prizes. It shows you lovely images, and sometimes it shows you fake mirages. In life, both happiness and sorrow come one after another in a row. Life is for a moment full of lemon. When it says goodbye, when everything remains light, when it stops its flow, you don't know what will go to happen with you. Now, today and tomorrow, you don't know anything, but every moment you are heading towards its destiny. It's the reality. Life is always uncertain. It's an ordinary cutting. How many houses you have built, how many lands you have healed, it's only count. Who will go to remember you? Who will go to forget you? It doesn't matter. How long you have spent your life in this world, it doesn't matter. But how you have spent your life in this world, it does matter. Before anything going too late, open your life's gate. Do something great so that someday somebody reminds your name after your death. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. You can make it more beautiful. Everything is in your hands. What do you want in your life? It's up to you. Whether you want your life in the heaven or in the hell, both earth and heaven is within your reach. It's up to you whether you want your life in the garden of flowers or in the land of weeds. Whether you want a sandstone or a gemstone, it's in your hands. Life is like a day and night. Every day is a new dawn and a new dusk. Sometimes life is like a fading autumn, and sometimes life is like a blooming spring. It's the reality of life. You must accept it, but you can't escape from it. It's the law of life. Try to taste the spirit of every season of your life and spread its beauty everywhere. If you ever can't build a grand mansion, then what? You can build a house of love. If you ever can't live a life of luxury, then what? You can live a life of happiness. Love your life. Love your fellow mates. Give them the sweet flavor of your life. Life is a journey of one time. You don't know the journey of another world. Whatever you have, everything is right now. So live the life of every moment and make it more meaningful and beautiful. Our journey of life begins with our first breath, ends with our last breath. We find our natives, we get our relatives. We have to leave one day, but nobody can't say. Our life is a drama of uncertainties. Dance with the fall of curtain. Every moment of this life is precious for us. Every day is a day of bonus. We all are travelers. Nobody is permanent dwellers. So never hurt anybody. Despite you get hurt, give love, receive love. It is a life full of sorrow. It is a life full of joy, like day and night. Learn to love, learn to weep. But as long as you survive, always try to revive because it is our journey of life. Next content in this book, your vision. What you want to do be, what you want to see, everything depends upon your vision. Find out your reason. Every event of life is matters to you, and it asks you its demand. You must know the right command. Guide yourself in the right direction to succeed in your mission. Know your inner potential, which is unlimited. Don't spend your life like a timid. Open your mind, which you keep locked. It's time to unlock. Wash your unclean eyes. Wear out your old fashion. Try to be wise. Everything which is unseen, now it is visible. It is your time to walk, to get your golden luck. Visualize your ideas to the world so that you can shine like a diamond. And third content in this book, only you can change yourself. Change yourself. Change is the universal law. You want change in your life. It may be from good to better and from better to best. But you can't change yourself. Still, you remain unchanged. You can't change your mind because your thoughts are clashed with you, even though your principle doesn't allow you. You can't change your heart because your emotions are attached with you, even though your conscience doesn't allow you. You can't change your life because you love the way you are living, even though your desires and wishes are heated on the burning coal. You can't change your world because you like the way you are dwelling, even though your life is hurting in the bushes of thorns. Ask yourself, is it my life, the way I am surviving? Try it. Try to figure out your answers of your life. Why, why are you committing self-destruction? You have right to live a better life in this world. Nobody can snatch from you. Life is to live, but not to die before you are dead. Why are you hesitated? Stop your self-hunted life. Come out from your dark cell of dilemma. Feel the fresh air of this beautiful world. They are calling you. You need change. It's true that you can't bring 100% change in your life. At least you can bring 1% change in your life. If you ever can't get the ocean of water, then what? At least you can get few drops of rainwater. Nobody can change you. Only you can change yourself. Time. Time has a wing, which is always swinging. It is never light. It is ever flying. It is so fast and never long last. It is unmatched. So nobody can catch. Once it will fly away. You will never get another chance to see its way. If it's lost, if it if it will last, you have to pay heavy cost. Fourth content in this book, Golden Ray. Oh, losing a weak heart. Why you are wasting your valuable birth? You haven't seen the sparkling gem? How much it resists the stresses and the burning flame. Then only it transforms into a new shape. And all nights to have. Why not you see the clear sky? Open your clouded eyes to view high. Look at the king of air, the eagle, which always flies so high with dare. Try to be like the king of jungle, who walk lonely, but nobody try to mingle. Why you are trapping yourself in self-made illusion of net? Set a new target. Come out. Stop it. Why you are keeping nail on your own way? Create a new horizon for your own golden ray. Fifth content in this book, bad memories. From your bad memories, you will only get the bag of worries. It makes you cry and force you to die. It will turn your life haunted. and you will become faint hearted. Everything will appear dark, everything will become your task. So stop your waves of flowing tears. Don't be the victim of fears. It will block your success path, and your doors of life will remain shut. If you want to go beyond, then decide your own horizon. Forget your dreadful past. Nothing will long last. When you will learn to live again, then only you will forget your pain. Sixth content in this book, the right way. Follow the right way. See the lightning ray. Keep this as your target. And whatever you did in the past, just forget. Pace your move in forward. Never see backward. Learn to tackle the situation with bold heart and action. Do what is essential with your potential. Turn your life into a new shape. Know its beauty and keep everything safe. Seventh content in this book, meanings of life. Look at the blue sky. Look at the bright sun. Look at the shining moon. Look at the twinkling stars. Look at the flying clouds. Then compare the earth, the ocean, the high peak mountains, the flowing rivers, the foreign streams, the green trees, the head of animals, the flying birds, the blooming flowers, the hummingbirds, the colorful butterflies. Finally, compare with yourself. Then you know the true meanings of your life. Eighth content in this book, your task. If your task is to touch the sky, you must overcome its limit. If your time you are thrown, if every time you are thrown, you have to fly again. If your task is to cross the ocean, you must overcome its tides. If every time you have drowned, you have to swim again. If your task is to climb the mountain, you must overcome its height. If every time you are fallen, you have to get up again. If your task is to win the battle, you must overcome your weakness. If every time you are defeated, you have to fight back again. If your task is to complete the race, you must overcome the tough opponent. If every time you are beaten, you have to run again. Ninth content in this book, experiences of life. We don't feel the joy of love if we never shed tears in life. We don't feel the gift of love if we never give love in life. We don't feel the pains of others if we never get hurt in life. We don't feel the heat of sun if we never get wet in the rain. We don't feel the brightness of light if we never spend in the darkness. We don't feel the current of water if we never dry in the sea. We don't feel the taste of food if we never get starved in life. We don't feel the sweetness of water if we never get thirst in life. We don't feel the shivering of cold if we never get sweat in life. We don't feel the softness of snow if we never land on the dry sand. We don't feel the fragrance of flower if we never get the smell of fool. We don't feel the peace of loneliness if we never spend in the crowd. We don't feel the excitement of success if we never fail in life. We don't feel the beauties of life if we never get the experiences of life. 10th content in this book, obstacles. It was the strong wind which attacked me. I didn't see how those uncertain troubles come on my way. I didn't get time to realize on the day. I blown away in the unknown place. I couldn't replace. I got a mighty blow. It was very hard and made me very slow. My days of life was tough. I had no day to rise up. When I opened my dull eyes, I saw the glowing sun, which turned into a big size. He said something to me. I heard his voice. He asked me to stand and fight. Then I found myself, then I found my self-belief. I felt relief. I rediscovered myself. I dared to face the challenges without any help. It was my great move. It was the obstacles which taught me how to tackle. 11th content in this book, failures. Failure is the only a momentary. It's a temporary. No doubt, it bends your road. But it can't block your road. Even success is not permanent. You need your temperament. Your hope is your golden ray. Show your hidden show you your hidden way. Don't cry, never say die. Believe yourself, work yourself, try to get up, try to rise up. Don't make your heart weak. Make your heart strong. When you turn your failure into success, then you will definitely get your success. Never mind failure. Your failure is the stepping stone which leads you to the ultimate milestone. Always remember, failures are part of life. If you don't fail, you don't learn. If you don't learn, you will never change. The only real failure in life is the failure to try. If you are afraid to fall, you will keep falling forever. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. By the great personality Jack Canfield. So, friends, ఇదేంటి, you can do anything in your life